All right, for this one, we're going to go to Google and do a search for average temperatures of Cleveland by month. This is what comes up for the past year. As it turns out, the graph that we have here is basically what we're going to be making. The orange was the average highs, and the blue was the average lows. Typically, it's just given to you as data. They give it to us as a graph, which is okay. What we're going to do is we're going to make a line graph. Actually, let me move down the direction so you can see it a little bit better. Oh gosh. Yep, we're going to make a line graph with this data. So a line graph shouldn't be too surprising as far as the layout for it. You've definitely seen this in real life. The x-axis are going to represent the months. Now, to make a line graph work, you should really have the first data value sitting right on the y-axis, which means we're going to put January right here. And then I'm going to use abbreviations going down the line. That works. All right, there's our 12 months. So what should we label the x-axis as? Yep, month. The y-axis will be dictated by the actual temperature. Notice the lowest high is 34. The highest high is 83. So let's count by tens. And we'll go from 0 to 90. And these would represent temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. Actually, we should say average high temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. And then, like before, the title right here. I'll have you write that down. All right, to top off this Sunday, all you do is make a point for every single data value, starting at January 34. Now, what you could do is next to the data values, you can put the actual number. We're not going to do that because you can see exactly what it's going to look like on the left hand here. But all we do is say 34 for January, 38 February, so on and so forth. We got 74. December 38. That's good. And then all you do is you connect the dots, just like the graph on the left shows you. I'll just make that dot bigger. That works. All right. So that's a line graph. Not too much going on there. Just making points and connecting the points. And again, you could label it with the data values, so 34, 38, so on and so forth.